Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The curtains are closing on another conference season in Las Vegas, and Bitcoin is set to face its biggest test yet. As we gather here at the Bitcoin Bulletin, it's worth exploring if this time will be different for our beloved cryptocurrency. Historically, conferences have been a challenging period for Bitcoin, with prices often taking a hit both during and after these events. Let's take a closer look at what happened in San Francisco 2019, Nashville 2022, and even the most recent conference in July 2024. In all three cases, we saw significant declines both during and immediately following the conferences, with the market seemingly spooked by the news and events unfolding. It's essential to consider that these instances occurred during bear markets, which might have contributed to the severity of the downturns. However, even in bull years like 2023, where Bitcoin was supposed to thrive, price action remained relatively flat or slightly negative during conference weeks. The setup for this year's event is indeed different, with institutional engagement on the rise. The fact that current Vice President J.D. Vance is set to attend could signal a significant shift in how Bitcoin is perceived by mainstream investors. While this is a positive development, it also means that conference weeks have become synonymous with sell the news moments, a phenomenon that has historically worked against Bitcoin. Now, let's turn our attention to the current data being compiled by Galaxy Research. They've been tracking historical trends and price movements across 5 conferences from 2019 to 2024. What they're finding is that Bitcoin has generally performed poorly during these events, with some instances seeing a sharp decline both during and after the conference. Of course, as an analyst at Bitcoin Bulletin, I always keep a close eye on the broader macroeconomic environment and how it intersects with Bitcoin's price action. And let me tell you, this year's setup could be materially different, but that's precisely why we're here to offer our expert analysis and insights. As experts in the field, we know that there are always going to be risks involved when investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But what sets us apart is our ability to provide a balanced view of the market, drawing on our expertise in on-chain analytics and macroeconomic trends. In this case, I believe it's crucial to separate the hype surrounding conferences from the fundamental value of Bitcoin itself. Rather than getting caught up in the excitement or fear surrounding these events, we need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. And what Galaxy Research has shown us is that even with institutional engagement on the rise, historical data still suggests a risk. As we head into this year's conference in Las Vegas, it's essential to be aware of our own biases and market emotions. Let's not fall prey to the same sell-the-news mentality that has worked against Bitcoin so many times before. Instead, let's focus on the fundamentals, keep a level head, and make informed decisions based on our expert analysis. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we'll continue to bring you in-depth insights and expert commentary throughout this conference season. Join us as we navigate the ups and downs of the market together, because only through informed decision-making can we truly unlock the true potential of Bitcoin.